How to play multiplayer in Terraria. To play multiplayer on Terraria, you can follow up this method. So you can either join your friend's game through Steam or host the game yourself. And the thing is, you need in order to join via IP address for non-Steam or external host. The host and the play, like whoever you're trying to join with, should have the same version of game downloaded. The Terraria version should be same. And once you are there, the host, the who is host, should be finding this kind of screen. So you can look out for multiplayer option, and from there you can customize your character, select the style and everything. And once that is done, look out for the create option in the bottom left right. Tap on it, and once you are there, you can select up your player. And once it is selected, look out for play option, and there you will be finding this section searching for local host. Now what you need to do is the host might need to set up port forwarding on their router to for other players to connect. So other player goes to multiplayer and join if applicable through Steam. Otherwise, you can head over to multiplayer and join and enter the host IP address and the correct port number. And then they can choose a character and create a new one. And they should also be joined into the same host world. So you can follow up this method if you would like to play Terraria multiplayer. So you can follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.